little kiddos. Are you ready to go on a shape adventure? Let's find some amazing shapes hidden in everyday objects. Look at this house. Do you see that door? It's a rectangle, just like the one in your house. And the windows? They're squares, 4 equal sides, just like a box or a picture frame. Can you spot anything else? Whoa, check this out! It's a circle. You can see circles in a ball, a clock, or even a yummy pizza. Now let's look at the swings in the park. Do you see the triangle at the top of the swing set? Triangles are everywhere, like on a slice of watermelon or even in a flag. And up in the sky, what do we see? A twinkling star. Stars are fun shapes, and you can find them on holiday decorations, stickers, or even on your toys. Look! What's that on the street? It's a stop sign, and it's shaped like an octagon. That means it has 8 sides. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, all the way to 8. Wow, wasn't that fun? We found rectangles, squares, circles, triangles, stars, and even an octagon. Shapes are everywhere, and you can find them too. Just look around and you'll see them in all kinds of cool places. Thanks for joining our shape adventure today. Keep exploring, and don't forget, learning is always fun. See you next time, little shape finders. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed.